If weather is too hot and temperature is 40 up, what should you have to do for hottest part of the day? Stay in air conditioned space if possible, such as shopping mall, community center during the hottest part of the day. Basically 12 a.m. to 4 p.m. during this time is hottest part of the day. So try to keep yourself this kind of places if possible. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. Alcohol and caffeine, they can dehydrate you and worsen the effects of heat. Wear hat and sunglasses. Hat and sunglasses to protect your face and eyes from sun. Dresses appropriately. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing to help keep your body cool. Lightweight clothes made from breathable materials like cotton, linen. Lightweight clothes can help this process by allowing air to circulate around your body, evaporating the sweat more quickly. Take a cold shower and baths can be beneficial during the hottest part of the day. Vegetables and fruits that are high in water content. Watermelon, cucumber, orange, pineapple, tomatoes, celery and radish. These fruits and vegetables also rich in vitamin and antioxidant. Remember, you have to drink more water even if you did not feel thirsty. If you are new here today, so please support me, subscribe my channel, eat well, live well.